With TruCredential software, you can go to town with credential issuance, literally. Mobile issuance allows you to use a smartphone or tablet to issue physical credentials, so your issuance activities are not limited to the location of your desktop computer. Just think of the possibilities. Say you operate a casino that has a loyalty program. A casino bus picks up customers in the metro area, and a casino rep boards the bus at the last stop before the casino. The casino rep describes the loyalty program and talks with passengers to identify new, interested customers. Using a tablet, the casino rep gathers enrollment information. The new customers leave the bus, go to the loyalty counter, and pick up their printed cards. Or, say you run the student ID program at a school, and you need a way to manage the enrollments for the long lines of students who complete enrollment on the same day. To shorten the wait times, you can have representatives walk the lines to gather student information and take photographs using mobile devices in preparation for issuing IDs. To issue credentials on a mobile device, just open a browser on the device, enter the URL to TruCredential, and sign in. There's no need to install TruCredential on the device. Note that TruCredential uses HTML5 to manage web pages, so select a browser that fully supports HTML5. We recommend using Google Chrome. TruCredential enables you to use an iOS, Android, or Microsoft Surface mobile device for the following activities. Search for enrollment information. Enter enrollment information. Capture a photograph. Crop and rotate photos. Adjust photos for brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. Capture a signature. Save an enrollment. And send a card to print. Note that features such as setting up the software, creating designs, and managing print queues are supported by only TruCredential client software on a computer. But for features listed here, you can use both mobile devices and your computer. Before you capture photographs or signatures on your mobile device, you have just a couple of steps to make sure your settings are configured to use the camera and touchpad of your mobile devices. The mobile devices do not use Capture Manager, so you need to make sure that your web browser is a configured device. Using TruCredential software on your computer, choose Settings from the Settings menu and then click Devices. On the Photograph tab, make sure Web Browser is displayed in the Configured Devices list. TruCredential looks for an image from the devices in the order they are listed, so if you will be using both mobile and desktop for photo capture, place the devices in the order that works best for you. See the topic, Change the Capture Manager Wait Time Can Help, to learn how to specify how long TruCredential waits for a response between devices. Similarly, on the Signature tab, make sure Web Browser is displayed in the Configured Devices list. Let's take a look at TruCredential software on a tablet. Notice how the display doesn't include the menus found at the top of the computer display. Remember, you use a mobile device only to enroll and search for applicants and issue credentials, not to design or change settings, so you don't need the menus. We're going to enroll new customers into the casino loyalty program, so we'll tap Search to make sure the customer is not already enrolled. We search the name and see this customer is new, so we tap New Enrollment. Notice that the interface also adapts the buttons for the smaller screen size. We enter the enrollment information and then take a photo using the device's camera. We can crop and rotate the photo if necessary. If the photo needs any adjustment, we can adjust its brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. This photo looks fine, so we save the enrollment. The experience with a smartphone is similar, but displays smaller buttons, so it accommodates an even smaller screen. Please be aware that mobile devices require the browser to have a secure connection to the web server for the page to access the camera. See the Transport Security topic in Help for information on obtaining and installing an X.509 certificate on the TruCredential web server. When you design your workflow for use on a mobile device, keep the screen size in mind as well as the default orientation. A 2-column workflow may not work well for a smartphone. You can use the same workflow for both desktop and mobile enrollments, or you can use different designs for the different devices. You can link more than one workflow to the same credential design and the same database table if you want different workflows. Mobile enrollment and issuance with TruCredential software version 7.7 and later opens new opportunities for you to streamline your enrollment capabilities and promote your brand.